What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on SUI because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping really well. From this low we had here a pump around like 33% of a net market, and right now if certain conditions are met I am planning to open another trading position on this coin. So if you are interested about the exact entry, potential take profit targets and stop loss that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now we are forming here this bearish order block, which is between levels 2.18 and 2.10. In my VIP trading group, where I am sharing all of my trades, we opened a long position somewhere in this area, so we catched here some profit. But right now I am watching here, as I said, this bearish order block. So to open here another long trade, I want to see here breakout and then support confirmation of this area. Entry in this case will be above this bearish order block, as I said, after support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target you can actually place to a new all-time high, because once we will break this current all-time high, which is on the level 2.36, then we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any liquidity. So for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger move. You can see that we have this bearish order block even on a daily time frame, but for me I think that it's better to use the stop loss on the 4-hour chart. The last take profit target in this case really depend on the risk reward ratio that you want to have, but for a trade like this I would recommend to take your last take profit target around risk reward ratio 10, which will be in this case a move around like 44% of a net market, so the level 3.15. Of course, in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits definitely take under the current all-time high, then for example under $2.5 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance, then definitely under $3 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance. You can also take some of the profits like in between those two areas, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 9.9, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 7.3, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. So if you want to create some, let's say, mid-term long position on this coin, then this is currently one of the best setups that you can watch. And if you, for example, want to know about the exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. As I showed you, you can take similar setup on a daily time frame, but in this case you are having here bigger stop loss, which will be instead of like 4 point something 9.23% of a net market. And if you, let's say, want to have also risk reward ratio around 10, you need to place your last take profit target on the level 4.29. so of course we are having here, let's say, much safer stop loss, but the potential profit is also bigger. So if you want to have here again risk reward ratio around 10, I recommend you to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits again under the current high, then for example under $3 mark, $4 mark, of course you can take again some of the profits in between, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio in this case gonna be between 7-8, something like that, which is another really great scenario. But as I told you, in my opinion it's better to trade this move on the 4-hour chart, just because we are having here, let's say, more doable last take profit target and also better, let's say, probability and risk reward ratio. Another entry will be possible in case of a retest of this bullish order block, which is between levels 1.68 and 1.59, but in my opinion there is right now actually not that high probability that we are gonna retest this area. But if we will take a look on the 1-hour chart, we have here a new bullish order block, which is between levels 1.857 and 1.836. 6. So in case of a liquidated grab with a support confirmation, this can actually be a good short-term long opportunity. Entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block, as I said, after support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit target, in this case I would place above this bearish order block, above this last bearish order block, which is between levels 2.27 and 2.23. So this trade again can give you risk reward ratio in this case up to 11, but of course it will depend on how big stop loss will actually be, or like how big will be the potential fake out, because of course if the fake out will be, for example, like this, then this setup is definitely invalid because the risk reward ratio is not gonna be good. But if the stop loss will be like to like 2% of a net market, then this is definitely a wonderful setup because the risk reward ratio will be around 12. Again, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets. Some of the profits definitely take, for example, under this previous high, so level approximately 1.923, then under this bearish order block, or like in this bearish order block area, which is between levels 2.18 and 2.07, and then save some back to the last take profit target. Whole crypto market is looking right now really great, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my new trades or about like a potential setup, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, and also I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you want to join my Discord trading group, as I told you, link to join is in the description or in the comments. It's completely free. And yeah guys, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.